like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, follow us on social media. We update videos every day on our incoming inventory. We have a nice 2020 Nissan Titan SV in front of us here. Runs perfect. No issues under the engine compartment. Take a look back. As you can see, the front end is perfect on the vehicle. Got some damage up here. This is it only. You have some damage to the bedside over here. Here. Got some repairable damage to the tailgate. Have bed liner, storage compartments. You have some damage to the bedside over there as well. Left side looks pretty clean. Take a look inside. No airbags deployed. Really nice unit. No warning lights on. Look at the back seat. Really nice truck. 7,500 miles. We're actually going to take this one through salvage inspection as well. It will be sold with a rebuilt title. And we just updated on our website. We have detailed photos and other information. If you're interested in the vehicle, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.